plus icon as well on this downside of the right. Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Reformer. My name is Mubashir Salahuddin. Today we're going to be talking about graphic design. So we'll be taking a look at a graphic design. So with the help of an online tool called Canva. So now we're at the website of canva.com, and as you can see, everything here looks very good. So what I want to say in a nutshell is Canva is an online tool that is designed, or should I say that is put in place, that was put in place to help our graphic designer design at ease, in the sense that they have a lot of already made templates. You can just select for any kind of design, and voila, that's all. You make little changes and your design will be ready for you to use. You understand? And as well, if you don't want any of the already made templates, you can start your design from scratch. It all depends on you. You understand? So for the benefit of this tutorial, we're going to be using the Canva app. But before we go, I would love to explain to us that Canva works better on desktop. You understand? In the sense that there are some designs that you would love to do or you used to see around that would work better when you design them on your desktop. But notwithstanding, there are thousand, I'm sure thousand, or let's say hundreds of other templates that works very well on phone too as well. That's with the help of the app. So here you can see the kind of templates available here. You can see, these are the categories where they have a lot of templates for you. They have a lot of categories as well. Marketing section, you see. So, and the message here, practically speak market. You understand? So it is very easy in the sense that the templates are already made for you to use. You don't have to stress yourself. You can see examples of logos to basically give you an idea of what your logo should look like and how to go about them. So without wasting much of our time, we'll be diving straight into the Canva app for the purpose of our today's training. So let's go in. So Canva app. So yes. So this is our app. This is the Canva app. So this is the interface. You understand? Once you first open it, this is the interface, and here you can see, like I said, they have a lot of already made templates that you can select from. For easy navigation, you can just click on all categories here to look for the category. But before we go into this place, if you want to start your design from scratch, like a fresh design, you click at this plus icon at the right hand side of your phone. By clicking on it, then you see a lot of samples, should I say sizes of templates that are also available, but in this situation they are blank. You are going to be the one to do your design from scratch to the end, but we're not going to waste much time here. So we'll go into these categories and select one of the category and select a template for it, and we'll just go and edit few things. Then you can also do the same for yourself. What limits you in every design is the level of your creativity. The more you can be creative, the more you would be able to do any kind of design. You understand? So so these are the categories available. As you can see, they are very much. It's not as if it's just one or two category. You understand? So that is that. And still on the Canva app, if for easy navigation, you can easily search here for the kind of template you are looking for. For example, instead of going to all categories here, you can click here and search in for the category, the kind of template you are looking for. Let's say certificate. You see certificate is here, and you'll be presented with all the templates available on Canva for you that you can use, so you can pick the one that suits your need the most. You understand? So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to just select anyone. Let's say we'll select this and click on edit to make relevant changes. Certificate of recognition, let's just include something. I just tap on that. You tap, your keyboard will come out, then you can make some other changes. But I'll just make modification. Certificate of recognition by digital reformer. You can see, so I've been able to make in that, and I can change this name to what should I change it to? Mary. So we can change this to Mary, and that's all. And you can also make modification aside typing here by click on this plus icon as well on this downside of the right downside of your phone, and this is the options of things you can bring in: templates, illustration, stickers, video, image, and text. So just for example sake, we would go and bring in what we call stamp just before this tutorial, benefit of this tutorial. So you see, we can bring in anything. Let's just drop this here, you see. So, and it's as easy as this, you understand? Very easy, very easy. So you see, it's ready. So whenever you want to, what's it called, get it out, as you want to bring it out for use and save it as image, you click on this arrow here facing down, or this one here that looks like it's in a bowl, but this will give you a way of selecting a format, while this will save it as image direct. So let's try this first and see. You see, we presented with different options: save as image, save with transparency, Facebook Manager, and the likes. Well, this here will just save it for you directly without asking what is the line of action. So let's take another template quickly before we go. What template could we take again? Let's say logo. Let's go for logo. So let's go for logo. See all logo. I will just select anyone anyway. So for you can type in the kind of logo that you want. If it's a restaurant logo, okay, let's go and do that then. Let's go and do that. Let's say restaurant logo. You see, so you see, it's very easy. Canva is made in a way that you have a lot of templates. You just go and select the one that suits your need. So for this benefit, I think which one suits my need the most, this one suits my need the most, and click on edit. So let's change the name and say reformer. And here you can change, reduce the size, increase it, depends on your taste. You can bold, change everything capital, small if you want, centralize it if you want, change the font if you want, if all it's all on if you want, you understand. So all that limits your design is your level of creativity. Once you are very creative, you can think of things out of nowhere, then you would be very very successful. So you can see I've tapped on that, then you see that's all, you understand. So and if you want to change the color as well, you can do that. You see, it's just that too easy. It's very very easy, you understand. It's very very easy. And you can also tap on the background to change the background color, maybe to white, you see, and that's okay. And voila, that's all. You can just click on save for it to save, you understand. So and it is as easy as that. So it's saying now that we have an what's it called, element here that need to be paid for. So this particular app, what is it called, is not the paid type, like the subscription has expired or something, you understand. So you can still skip that by clicking on download watermark, you understand, and voila, it will still download, and you see it has downloaded. So like I said earlier, within you and Canva, it is the level, your own level of creativity and things you can think. Just come and search, you understand, search. If it is not available, then you know it's not available, but if you search and it is available, then you can just use it and edit some others. Just let's take a look at other design I have done in the past. Just look at them, look at them. This is also part of the example. So as you can see here, this is a sticker, this is also a sticker, you understand. So once you go to the sticker section and type in shop now, you see it. So it's as easy as that, you understand. There's nothing complicated, nothing complicated whatsoever. So Canva is a very very easy app to use. You can see actually this tool with Canva, you would start, you go and get this from your one app that you integrated to your Canva. Then you get your background here from Canva, and you just make some adjustments, as you can see, all done within Canva, you understand. So like I said, it's all stop with how, where you think, like what can you think. You can see this is also done on Canva. So what can you think, what can you think, you understand. And that's what will limit you actually. So just get creative, get your hands on something, get something done. Like it's that easy. So thank you very much. Please do well to subscribe on my channel, and thank you very much.